Catalina mixer, volume 2.
I got all the merch up. Got a big man over there, the organizer. Get things down. So, I'm gonna walk the paddock. Give y'all a little view when some more cars show up. But for now, just wait for the drivers' meeting.
The time slots. So it starts at 1 o'clock. So 1 to 1:30 is C, and then 1:30 to 2:15 is B and A. And then we'll just keep doing that so everyone can look at this schedule and go, shit, I'm up in 5 minutes, whatever, right? Just make it a little bit more streamlined, but I still will be making the announcements and getting everyone ready to go. People who drove here the last event should know and explain how this works. If someone hits that tower that's right there in the middle, that ruins drifting for everyone. You're gonna have to say to Charlie, hey, I want a tandem, right? So you're gonna put 2 up out the window. Okay, so we'll run this until 5 o'clock, take a break, get everything cleaned up, ready to go for the next go around at 5:30. We will start with C group again. Drift etiquette. Everyone follow drift etiquette. Someone spins in front of you, do not pass them unless they're in the grass. If they're in the grass and they're there, you're more than welcome to pass them. But if they're stuck in the middle or stuck to the side, do not drift around them.
If you get stuck, we got a record, we'll get you out. Also, use common sense. When you come up to me, have your helmets on and your seat belts. Strap and air and both. When I turn you loose, don't lollygag. Y'all drive safe and have fun.
All right, C drivers, my C-class drivers. You guys are up now. Go ahead and get staged at the starting line. Let's go, C-class.
Yeah.
Hey girl, hey.
I shot my pants.
No, I have to make it. I haven't done it yet.